Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Today we are going to generate discrete area chart in Tableau. For this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now these are dimensions. Basically, dimensions are the categorical variables and these are measures, which are continuous variable. So I'll pick up one dimension from here and two measures to create the discrete area chart. So from here, I'll pick up order date and sales and profit. I'll drag it and drop it here. From show me, I'll activate the area chart, this one, discrete area chart. Now I can convert this thing into the entire view. Now I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it in color. Now in this marks, you will have all. If you want to change any setting for the profit, for sales. Now let us convert the chart of the profit. So I'll click here and I'll make this bar chart. So you can see here that this is a bar chart and this is the area chart. Now if I want to include the details of sales, I'll activate the sales from here and I'll drag it and drop it in label. Make sure you are in sales. So you will get this figures of sales. Now, if I want to indicate the profit, I'll activate the profit from here and I'll drag it and drop it in the label. And these are the figures of profit. Now, this is the chart according to the year. If I want to make it according to the quarter, press this plus sign. And now your chart is according to the quarters. Again, I'll press this plus sign and it will be the monthly chart. So at the same time, you are getting the bar chart for profit and area chart for the sales. You can click on show me. How to read it? Let me minimize this and make it quarter. So profits in 2019 for consumer in quarter 3 are 9118. Similarly here, sales in segment consumer for quarter 3 for 2019, the sales is 79,399. This is the way you can interpret your discrete area chart. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.